Meaning of Georgetown.
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 Georgetown. Georgetown refers to a city or town that is named after George, typically King George III of England or George Washington. The term is commonly used in the United States of America, particularly for towns and cities that were founded during colonial times. Georgetown is frequently associated with prestigious universities, such as Georgetown University in Washington, D.C., and is also the name of several neighborhoods and districts across the country. Overall, the term Georgetown represents a long-standing connection to American history and the legacy of influential figures like George Washington.